Hey, can you make a video about 3 video editor programs?
Hey, of course I can do it. Do you want free programs?
Yes, please.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the best website for a content creator or TikToker or YouTuber or Instagrammer. I don't know what you are, but it's the best website, trust me. The link is in the description. Okay, let's start now. The name of the website is wave.video. The first thing you have to do is sign up. Click the button and here are some options you can choose to sign up. I want to sign up with Google, so I click it. Okay, when you sign up, you're on this page. I'll show you first what you can do with this website. I'm gonna show you why this is the best website for content creators. Okay, you can see here you can create YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Instagram videos, Facebook cover videos, Reels, Stories videos, or ads. But if you just want to edit a video, you click YouTube video or any of them, and you have to go to my uploads. Now you can upload a file. I'm gonna upload this. Okay, it takes a bit to install, to upload it. Now if you upload your video, you click on it.
Hey, what is going on guys? Energy here today, and today we're going to be showing you how to install.
Oh, sorry, my bad. You have to go to my projects and then upload video. Sorry. I'm gonna do this and you have to wait a little bit. Okay, if it's done, you click on it and then here's the button edit video. The first feature is resize, so you can resize the video into horizontal, square, story or vertical. Horizontal for YouTube, Facebook and Twitter feed, square for Instagram and Facebook feed, and story for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Snapchat, and vertical for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn feed. Okay, but we want YouTube video, so we click on this. The second feature is, okay, here are some templates you can use for your videos, like social media for YouTube videos, templates for YouTube videos, or trending intro and outro video templates. It's the importance in my opinion. Okay, I want this template, so I click on it and click on add and click on add to the end because it's an outro. I put it automatically at the end because it's an outro and you don't have to do anything. Okay, now we have our outro and we can put our videos in it. Okay, the third feature is stock and uploads. You can find here some stocks like sport and fitness image. You can use every image here, but you can use only the free one. If you don't want to use only the free one, you have to upgrade your account, and it costs I think $16. Okay, the fourth feature is layout. You can use basic layouts or collapse layout. You can also use device layout. It's very interesting because they show your video in the phone. Wait, they show your video show your video in the phone like that. It's very interesting, or on the laptop. The next feature is text. You can put in some text like basic geometry and edit it. You have to click twice on it to edit it. Okay, the next feature are overlays and stickers. If you go to them, you see here emojis, social media stickers, or action stickers, good vibe stickers, shape stickers, nature stickers, paint stickers, arrow stickers, everything you search for. And social media stickers are the most interesting because they have this type of stickers. They are the best because I use them a lot. You generate more subscribers when you put some stickers like that in the video, because they remember they can subscribe and then they do it. Okay, next feature is audio. You can select some audios in here, like for business and then large business meeting. It's very loud. If you want to add it to your video, you click this add button and it adds automatically in the video. Here you can see it, it's in the video. Okay, the next feature is a really important feature. Everyone should know it, caption feature, because it's very easy to use, and big YouTubers like MR.GamesT pay people to write their captions, and in this program you can use it free. You click on add caption auto and click on your sound on your video, and the video language you select it here and translate it to we take Dutch. It's they speak it in Netherlands. And if you done it, you have to click create captions, and it will create automatically caption for your video. I can't do it because I increased the auto captions limit. Okay, the next feature is also nice, but it's useless. It's enhancer. If you click here, you can select one of the styles. I'll click on this. It will move based on the sound of the video. Wait, I'll show you. Oh, it moves really fast. Okay, I said everything you should know, and that's it with the video, and bye.